All right, if you are listening to me, all right, and you're watching this video and you are the new user and you are coming on board immediately into the resilience strategy. All right, so what you need to do, and let me just guide you through step by step. Now, for the new users, okay, please understand, make sure, okay, the first step, okay, always before you sing is to actually activate the professional edition. All right, and thereafter you tap the circle, you search for JD Winner ID 1635, and thereafter you tap the same strategy and make sure you refer to the coin selection matrix to determine the FOA and NOC based on the allocated, okay, trading capital. And then you input the FOA and NOC, you sync double, make sure it is off, and then you tap sync strategy. Once you have tapped, make sure you verify that you have successfully synced. All right, let me show you one by one. Now, first thing, all right, is the professional edition. Okay, so this is it. So if you go under mine, you will be able to see, you'll be able to see the professional edition at the top there. Now, please make sure, okay, for JD Winner, we want the professional edition to on, because this is where you will start to see the orange, okay, the orange coins, okay. Now, if you don't on, okay, I am trading a lot of the orange coin, but you will not be able to see those coins being traded. So if you are running 30 coins or 25 or 27, right, you only see the blacks, but you don't see the orange, okay, and that is sometimes you get frustrated because you didn't on the professional edition. Now, please understand the orange coin are volatile coin, and we need volatile coin because volatile coin has a better range and that can give you a much better profitability. All right. So that is the reason why we want you to make sure that the professional edition is on at all times. So it's very simple. Okay. Just click the professional edition. There will be 3 tests. Just answer any question. And if you even answer wrong, okay, you will start to see the statement in green. Just select the statement in green and then it will pass. Okay. A very, very simple test. So that is the first thing. And then after you tap on the circle. All right. JD Winner circle, which is 1635. Or you can, once you actually click the circles, all right, then you will be able to see, okay, JD Winner. So make sure you click JD Winner, and then at the bottom there, you will see the SYN strategy. Now, please understand, you can actually SYN with 2 exchanges at the same time for one bond. All right, you can SYN with Binance. You can also SYN with Huobi Global. All right, so each of these exchanges, there are 30 coins each. Okay, please understand. Now, once you have done that, okay, make sure you refer to the coin selection matrix. This is the most important thing. All right, do not cut short on your trading capital, because remember, we have already allocated the slippages and so on. Do not cut short on your trading capital. All right, so make sure you follow the trading capital. Make sure you follow the first order amount and the number of coins. And adherence to the coin selection matrix is crucial, or else you will not be able to see the desired profit. All right, this is so important. All right, now once you have decided, okay, so you need to now input the FOA and NOC. All right, so that is why we have the first buy amount, or we call this as FOA in JD Winner, and then the number of strategy we refer as number of coins. So you just have to input those things. Now the profit sharing is fixed at 1%. This is a SYN strategy profit sharing. All right, and then make sure that the next is that you keep the SYN strategy. All right, the synchronized open double, make sure it is off. Okay, do not on this, because if you on, it will disrupt the whole, okay, the whole wallet management. All right, it will disrupt your 155 per coin. Okay, it will be disrupted. So please do not on that. And thereafter you tap the SYN strategy. Now, the moment you tap the SYN strategy as a new user, you will actually see almost instant, all right, almost instant, the number of coin will appear in the home. All right, so get to the home and check, okay, that those coins are appearing. Now, finally, okay, make sure you check. There are 3 checkpoints. So once you have actually seen, just make sure you get into those coins and check these 3 checkpoints. The first checkpoint, the sub-bin mode is enabled. All right. And make sure when I say sub-bin mode, okay, you see over here, right? Number 3, make sure it is always in the real-time settlement, not under sub-bin mode. Okay, it must be under real-time settlement, because every time the bot actually closes, the bot will settle. Settle means it will settle the payment. Now, if you put under sub-bin mode, it will not settle until the whole warehouse is clear. Please understand that. So that's why some people, right, they don't see the profit. They say the bot is keep buying and selling, but where is the profit? Because it is under sub-bin mode. All right, so make sure it is under sub-bin real-time settlement, because we want to settle all the position that is closing in real time. Please understand that. And also, right, if you look at number 2 here, make sure it is red stop margin call, not initiate margin call. All right, because the margin call must always be initiated. Okay, please understand that, because we want the sub-bin mode to work, because when the sub-bin mode works, just imagine, okay, that's where you will start to make profit. All right, and make sure all the settings, okay, is adhered at all time. Do not alter any of this setting. Once you have synced, once all the setting is correct, you can actually leave your device. All right, you can enjoy life to the fullest. All right, you can spend time with family, just leave it. The bot will take care everything for you by right. Okay, so every day, right, every day, remember, I think if you talk about Singapore time, that is midnight, 12 a.m. All right, 12 a.m. Okay, midnight. That's where, sorry, 12 a.m. That's right, midnight. That's where the closing of the trades. So every time it closes, right, you can actually go and see your trading revenue. All right, so how much have you earned today? And also make sure you monitor your fuel cost and make sure your fuel is always, okay, always sufficient enough. Okay, so on a daily basis, just make sure you check. And once a while, just go and check the settings, because sometimes it's a bot. Because it is a bot and it is an algorithm, right? Sometimes certain changes can happen, not from the scene strategy, but the changes happen because of the bugs in the bot and so on, okay? So just make sure, okay, regularly you just check, or periodically, okay? Just make sure you check on that. All right, okay, so that's basically, right, to give you the whole idea of the resilience strategy that is going to go live in few hours time. All right, now please also make sure, okay, if you are part of JD Winner, that you are also in the Telegram group, because that's where the action is. Okay, so make sure you join the Telegram group at JD Winner, or you can get the official link, copy the link and go to the browser. All right, and straight away you will enter into the Telegram group. Now, if you're already registered with Royal Q and you decided that you want to sing with JD Winner, so here we have the QR code. Okay, you can actually scan the QR code, all right, and thereafter you can actually be part of JD Winner Sync strategy. Okay.